ABC News medical contributor and physician at Stanford Children's Health, Dr. Alok Patel, joins me now for more on this. Dr. Patel, how is this drug different from Mounjaro, and why was it approved differently if they're made of the same thing?
Diane, in terms of the pharmacology and how the drug actually works, it's not different than Mounjaro. It's acting on those receptors in our bodies that basically give people a feeling of fullness and reduced appetite. The difference is that Mounjaro was approved for people with type 2 diabetes, whereas this is a specific indication for weight loss, either for individuals who are obese or individuals who are overweight with another underlying medical conditions that could contribute to weight gain and a medical concern. And so the reason why this is a big deal is because this FDA approval will allow more access and potentially more insurance coverage for this specific indication.
So who qualifies for this medication? And we often don't hear so much about the side effects. What about those?
The people who qualify for this are individuals who specifically are obese or overweight and have another underlying condition, such as heart disease or diabetes. Now, before, people who were getting Mounjaro for weight loss, that was off-label, which allowed some insurers to not cover it. And if you look at the price of these medications, regardless of what class we're looking at, it can be over $1,000 per injection, which is just, that denies access to millions of people who could potentially get these meds. And the side effects are going to be similar to what we've heard in the past. A lot of those stomach side effects, including nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fullness. There isn't a rare side effect that was seen in rats with thyroid cancer. It's yet to be determined if that can happen in humans. But this is why it's so important to talk with a doctor before you take these medications. Also, it's important to note that these medications, it's not safe. We don't know the side effects if you take them together. If people are taking one class of these GLP agonists with another, that might not be safe. So it's always important to run through your medication history and what you want to do with the healthcare professional.
So, Dr. Patel, how big of a deal is this FDA approval? What do you think the impact will be?
The potential impact, Diane, if everyone who requires this medication, who is approved to get it, has access to it, is benefiting millions of Americans who qualify. If you look at the trials, the FDA released this information and is double-blinded randomized control. People after 72 weeks at the right dose lost around 20% of their body weight. And it's important to know that these medications are prescribed alongside a low-calorie diet and physical activity. Now, I've already been online. I see in the comments of people saying, well, hey, why don't people just exercise and eat healthy? Why do they need these medications? This really underlies the true complexity of obesity and how it really is a chronic illness with large-scale public health implications. So this is an important step forward in combating this crisis.
All right, ABC News medical contributor Dr. Alok Patel, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.